There's a lot of us out there that like to do our own oil changes at home, and you probably use a container something similar to what I'm using, or you may use one of these very popular Rubbermaid tubs. But when the oil is on the warmer to hot side and is thinned out, it can go in many weird directions. As soon as it hits the bottom of the pan, any little bend or curve in the plastic can make the oil go in many directions, and it ends up splashing out of the bin. And it's at this point that you end up using up all of your clean rags. So let me show you a quick and easy hack to get rid of all that splashing using a cheap furnace filter. So first, get yourself a pair of scissors and cut the cardboard off the filter. These filters are nice and squishy, they're about an inch thick, and they tend to keep their shape even when they're wet. And with the grain in the filter being so wide open, the oil can pass through it very easily. And in doing that, it reduces the splashing down to zero. Now cut it and trim it to the shape of your oil change bin. I found that it's good to go with about 2 or 3 layers. I like to use 3 layers. If I drop the drain plug into the bin, there's no searching for it in the oil. It'll be sitting right on top. I'll use this large nut to demonstrate. Stays right on top and is easy to find. I've added it to the bin that I normally use, so let me show you how it works. You can see just how well this works. There was no splash at all, and the drain plug stayed on top out of the oil. And here it is from another angle. And like I said earlier, you can easily find the drain plug. And another added benefit is when you're moving the bin, it doesn't splash over the edges. And here's another tip. These Scotch-Brite pads come in many shapes and sizes. These work really well too. And if you happen to work at a place that has offices, the guys that come in to polish the floors will sometimes discard some of those big round pads that they use on their polishing machines. And they are also made out of Scotch-Brite material. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.